Welcome everybody.
Welcome. Great to be spending time with you again. On this adventure, we are traveling to the island of Lanai. Now, Lanai is the third smallest island in the Hawaiian chain, and the island is mostly privately owned by Larry Ellison, but he is kind enough to share it with the rest of us.
All right. Now, in this adventure, what we're doing is we're going completely around the island of Lanai. We are going through the trade winds. We are going to see what they call Shipwreck Beach, where experts say that within the next 9 to 10 years will not exist due to its erosion and the weather that's around it. Unfortunately, our future generations will not be able to see this, so we highly recommend that the island of Lanai is in your future plans. Trust me, this is an underrated island, and you will certainly enjoy it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's find our tour guide for Lanai.
There she is!
No, that's not him.
Oh, him!
No, not quite. There he is!
The one, the only, the ultimate Hawaiian superhound, Bogey!
Look, over there to the right. That's Molokai. You know they have some of the world's largest sea cliffs?
Now we're entering the Hawaiian island trade winds. Notice how rough the water's getting.
There's no backing out now. You're in the clutches of Mother Nature. As promised, we have arrived at Shipwreck Beach. The first ship we find is a World War II era Navy fuel barge. Up a little farther ahead, we have a Navy Yard oiler, also from World War II. In fact, it was present at Pearl Harbor on December 7th, 1941, when the USS Arizona was attacked and sunk. We have made it to the island of Lanai. One interesting fact to note is that, according to Hawaiian law, all beaches are public access. The only exception to this is if the island is 100% privately owned, like the island of Ni'ihau. Otherwise, doesn't matter if there's a resort, a home is privately owned, the beach access is public. now made it to the south side of Lanai. We're getting ready to snorkel to see some of the most beautiful and exotic sea life Hawaii has to offer.
Okay, we're in some of the best snorkeling and scuba in the Hawaiian Islands. To the south, the island of Olawe. Behind us, the island of Lanai. And to the east, the island of Maui. Thank you everybody. Mahalo.
Thank you for spending some time with us. If you did like what you saw, please hit that like button. We would also appreciate any comments with questions or just things you'd like to share with us. Also, don't forget to hit that bell for notification of future videos, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Aloha.